Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about Uber Eats Surge Map Scam. So Uber Eats ended up having a glitch, or so they say, in the driver app for a lot of people. And for some reason, people were just not getting paid with the surge that they were displaying on the map. And they ended up sending a message to a lot of drivers in regards to this. So with that said, I want to go over exactly what Uber Eats was saying in this message, how it actually is for gig workers that were working on Uber Eats during this time, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Regarding a surge map issue from earlier this year, we fixed a bug where incorrect surge locations displayed so that you'll only see surge map information that applies to you. So yeah, there was a good period of time where surge was actually displaying plus 550, plus 350, plus this, plus that. And I wasn't a part of the rideshare program. I wasn't a part of any other program outside of Uber Eats. I think Uber Connect I just got onto, and even then I haven't even taken a single Uber Connect order, but I was seeing surge apply because of that. And now I don't even see busy areas anymore. Now I don't even see any surge, no busy areas. I kind of just turn on and hope I get an order. Between February 15th, 2023 and February 3rd, 2023, you may have noticed we were able to see surge locations in the driver app which did not apply to you. Now, in a way, I'm not sure if that says specifically that if I were to hop on rideshare, I wouldn't be able to access those surge bonuses. But it does say to me, if I'm not on rideshare currently, if I'm not in the rideshare program currently, I'm not going to have access to the surge bonus. That also said, why are they displaying things that don't apply to me in that case? Maybe it was a glitch. Maybe it was because I just hopped onto Uber Connect. They just offered me Uber Connect at the time. So who knows? But still. We have updated our systems to ensure the correct driver surge map information displays in the driver app. So it's good to know that they actually fixed the mistake, so that way we're not going to continuously have this issue. We understand this may have been a confusing experience, but rest assured you were paid the correct amount as it appeared on your offer card at the time. So this is where I'm actually frustrated, because there were times where I was going out of my way into those areas and assuming that I was going to have access to those surge bonuses. But because of that disconnect, I wasn't having access to the surge bonuses at all. In fact, there were times where I saw $2 orders and the surge was plus 5. So I was like, what the heck is going on here? And honestly, it's really embarrassing, because you can't have drivers commit to going into certain places expecting to be paid more, only for you to double back at the end of the day. Even if it was just a glitch, you know what happens when that happens? When you force people to go out of their way, you pay them for what they're owed. You don't say, I'm sorry that we made a mistake and you're just gonna have to eat the expenses. That's pretty messed up in my opinion. That's why I believe this is such a scam, because if this was Trip Radar and you owned up to your mistake and you paid us what we were supposed to be paid, fine. But in this case, you were like, nope, we're just not gonna do it. Too bad. Now, again, this is promo pay versus a display issue, so maybe there's a difference there, but still. And honestly, it's really disappointing, because I always thought that Uber was going to be the company that owns up to their mistakes in the event that they mess up. But in this case, they've already proven that they'll own up to it, but they doesn't necessarily mean they're going to pay you for the work you actually did, or said that they were going to commit to, because they're not going to at the end of the day. But this does just say one important note on any app. Doesn't matter if it's just Uber Eats, Doordash, or Grubhub. Make sure you understand this. Never chase promo pay. At the end of the day, one, you don't even know if you're actually going to get the promo pay that they're saying that they're going to pay you. And number two, it could just be a glitch in their mind. They could just find another way to not pay you the money that you deserve. All in all, just stick to the fundamentals of gig work and don't chase promo pay. Stick to cherry picking quality orders based on the amount that you're being displayed, not the promos which these companies are trying to get you to participate in. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.